In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send WhatsApp messages using n8n. By the end, you'll know how to add the WhatsApp Business Cloud node to a workflow and securely connect it so you can send messages programmatically. Start by opening your browser and going to n8n.io. Once you're in your n8n workspace, create a new workflow so you're looking at a blank canvas. If you're using an existing workspace, that's fine too. Just make sure you're on a new empty workflow so we can focus on a clean setup. On the canvas, click Add First Step. This opens the node selector, which is where you'll choose the service you want to connect to. The node picker can feel overwhelming the first time, but the search bar makes it easy. In the search field, type WhatsApp Business Cloud and select it from the results. This node connects n8n to Meta's WhatsApp Business Cloud API, which is what allows your workflow to send messages to WhatsApp users. Selecting the right node ensures you get the correct set of actions and fields. In the node's configuration panel, set the action to send a message. This tells the node exactly what you want it to do. There are other actions available for different use cases, but for now we'll focus on sending a message, which is the most common automation. Next, look for the credential to connect with field and open the drop-down. Credentials in n8n are a secure way to store API keys and IDs so you don't hard-code them in workflows. Using credentials keeps your sensitive data safe and reusable. Choose Create New Credential. This will open a dialog where you can enter the details required by the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. If you already have a saved credential, you could select it here, but let's walk through creating one from scratch. Enter your access token. This is the token provided by Meta for the WhatsApp Business Cloud API. For reliability, use a token that won't expire soon. Make sure you paste it carefully and keep it confidential. Enter your business account ID. This identifies the WhatsApp business account associated with your API access. Double check the value to avoid connection errors. Finally, click Save. n8n will store the credential securely and attach it to your WhatsApp node. Once saved, your node is authenticated and you're ready to continue configuring the message details in the node parameters, like the recipient and the body, whenever you're ready. That's the essential setup for sending WhatsApp messages using n8n, clean, secure, and ready for automation.